Hey, what's up guys? Jamesy Jack here, bringing you guys another episode of Jamesy Jack Gaming and my first episode of World of Warships. That's right guys, World of Warships. This is a game I recently got, and listen to this horn. Today we're playing with the SS Bougainville, I think it's called. So let's battle. Alright, I am in queue for battle. I'm just gonna wait here. Now, I've played this game before, but this is my first time playing it on my computer. Alright, so here's my ship, the Bougainville. Very cool ship. It's one of my favorite beginner ships. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Action stations.
All right, let's go. All right, we're searching for enemy ships. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see here. Oh, and if you guys want to download this game on Steam, it's free and it's a great game. Let's see. Let's see. Can I shoot down those little balloons?
Enemy force, enemy cruiser sighted.
All right, here we go. I love blowing the whistle. All right, here we go. Woo! Awesome. Oops! I'm totally gonna hit an iceberg. These guns need better aim. Let's see. Okay, got a hit. Alright, let's continue. Yes! Hits. Ramming speed! Ah! Woo!
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Well, this is awesome. Whoa, and I am floundering in the ocean. So let's take my cruiser and destroy the enemy shippers. Okay, let's see here. Yes. Let's see here. Oh, I'm about to die. Alright, here we go again. Yes! Whoa!
Cruiser destroyed.
That was a big explosion. Wow, that was huge. Wow, look how fast it's going down. Oh boy, it's damaged for sure. Oh no! I'm sinking! Blub, 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 blub. Oh no! My boat! I paid so much money for this boat! No! Well... let's see here. Free camera. Let's watch my poor ship sink to the bottom of the ocean. No! Wow. My ship. Well, I guess that's the end of that. Come on, I paid a lot of money for this thing. I paid 0 coins. Oh boy. There it goes. Everyone evacuate. This is your captain speaking. Abandon ship. Oh, there I go. Oh boy. Come on, allies. Avenge me! Well, while this intense battle is going on, I might as well head back to port. Here's the Bougainville. Here's the Hashadate. Here's the Erie. Here's the Greif. Here's the Van Kinsbergen. Let's play with the Greif. Alright. Let's do this. So here's the Greif. It's a large boat for beginners. It has pretty powerful turrets. And it has like a very cool horn. A very, very cool horn. Let's do this.
Action stations.
Alright, here we go. Wow, that's a weird looking airplane. Alright, enough about that. Let's get out there and deal some damage. I had to do that. I love blowing the horn. Oh, and I've got anti-aircraft guns as well. Alright, here we go. Wow, I love this boat. Let's see here. Enemies have been spotted. Fire at the enemy ship! Fire at the enemy ship! Alright. Let's see here. Yes. Man, we're kicking their butts. at by other ships. We should probably move. I wonder what that one is. Ah. Let's destroy it anyway! Ah. Tip that buoy over. Wow, I love the water physics in this game. It's amazing. Let's ram him! Ah! That hurt me more than him. Destroy him! No matter what it takes.
Our team has taken the lead.
Oh, good. Well, there I go. There goes my poor ship. Whee! This is your captain speaking. Please abandon ship. Every man for themselves. Avenge me! Whoa, what the heck? That was a weird glitch. Whoa! Whoa, did you guys see that? Did you guys at home see that? That was a weird glitch. Oh boy, there goes my ship. My poor ship. I'll see you back at the port, my friend.
Victory is in sight.
I suppose we can stay and watch this one.
Our victory is in sight.
All right, let's do this. One more enemy ship, guys. You can do this. Yes, 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 yes. Do it, do it. Man, what's the commander of this ship thinking? Boy, this ain't gonna be good for them. The cavalry has arrived! Alright. Come on, blow him up. Blow him up, blow him up, blow him up. Oh my gosh, these guys have terrible aim. Well, guess we should just go back to port or something. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of World of Warships. It was a good start. I destroyed some ships, and they also destroyed me. Well, I'll see you guys next video. Don't forget to maybe hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Alright, goodbye everyone!